Good morning, students. In auditing subject, our present topic is internal check. Let us know the meaning of internal check. Internal check is a valuable part in internal control. Here, internal control includes the internal check and internal audit. Internal check is an arrangement of duties of staff in such a manner that the work performed by one person is automatically checked by another person. It is a run-time course. That means one person work is verified or checked by another person immediately. Now let us define the internal check. According to D. Paula, internal check means practically a continuous internal audit carried on by the staff itself, by means of which the work of each individual is independently checked by another member of the staff. As per the definition, the internal check is a continuous practice or a continuous checking of the work done by one person is checked by another person. Now, what are the objectives of internal check? First one, allocation of duties and responsibility to every individual and make him responsible for a particular error or fraud. Next, internal check minimizes the possible errors, frauds and irregularities in the organization. In internal check, there is an independent checking. Hence, the errors and frauds easily detected and a corrective action also be taken. Internal check is based on the division of labor. It enhances the efficiency of clerks in the business by assigning the duties based on their ability and their efficiency. In internal check, every task of an individual is checked by another person. So, no transaction is left from being recorded. Internal check system facilitates the reliability, regularity of accounts maintenance. It facilitates the finalization of accounts with easy and efficiency, effectively. Internal check system exercise moral pressure on the staff, hence they maintain accurate records of transactions. Now, let us look at the advantages and limitations of internal check system. First, advantages. First one, moral influence on employees. The system of internal check puts moral check on members of staff and enables them to learn honesty, hard work and straightforwardness. Next, fixation of responsibility. In internal check system, the duties are well defined and assigned to particular worker and his responsibility is fixed. So, it is easier to fix responsibility in case of errors and frauds. Next, less possibility of frauds. This is a less possibility of frauds under the system, the internal check, because errors and frauds can be detected at an early stage. Next, increase efficiency of clerks. Under this system, the work is distributed according to the qualifications and experience and efficiency of a clerk. A proper division of work leads to specialization and increase the efficiency of the employee. Next, it reduces the workload of auditor. When there is a effective internal check system is prevailing in the organization, the work of auditor will reduces. Next, final accounts can be prepared. Internal check system detects the errors and frauds at early stage, hence the accounts shows more reliable and accurate information. So it facilitates the preparation of final accounts, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet makes easy. Next, correct and complete records of all transactions. The system of internal check may also result in correct and complete records of all the transactions on each balancing of the books of accounts. Next advantage is detection of dishonesty and irregularities. Internal check system detects the dishonesty and irregularity of staff members. Next, test checking possible. If the auditor finds the system of internal checking satisfactory, then by taking into mind its defects or weak points, he can take the help of test checking. Now let us discuss the disadvantages of internal check. First disadvantage is it is an expensive. The establishment of an internal check system involves additional cost. It is not advisable for the business, especially a small entity, if expenditure benefits are less than the additional cost. Next disadvantage, slackness in the work. The auditor may show slackness in the work. He may rely on the system of internal check and a blindfold, which may affect the quality of audit work adversely. Next disadvantage, not suitable for small concern. The system of internal check is not advisable for small concerns paying very less transactions takes place, and it is uneconomical for the small business. Next, grouping among employees. If the employees of the concern join hands, they may keep the employer in dark and may cause many irregularities. This groupism among the employees may not be healthy. Next disadvantage, risky for an auditor. If the auditor blindly relies on the internal check system without applying the tests and procedures, his work cannot be free from irregularities if the system itself proves to be defective. Now, let us know the meaning of test checking. In case of large business concerns where the number of transactions are not possible to check, being they are bulk in quantity. In such a case, when the internal check system is very effective, in such a case, the auditor is verify a limited transactions at randomly. Such a random checking of transactions called test check. The auditor should apply test checking only when there is a good and effective system of internal check prevailing in the business organization. With this, we conclude internal check topic. Thank you.